All right, so welcome again to Military Guna TV. Thank you very much for joining me. And we have some words from Damion Lowe. It didn't really say exactly what's happening, but he did admit it that the team itself is going through a tough patch. Yeah, he said the team is going through a tough patch. Well, I have some of his comments. I'm going to read it to you guys. I'll let you guys hear some of the things that he said. I didn't get to get the video because but I'm going to read it to you. I'm going to read it exactly what he said. I got the RSS feed for it, so I'm going to read it to you guys. So people, please remember to smash that like button and also subscribe if you're here for the first time. So people, he said some interesting stuff. As I said, it didn't it didn't exactly said exactly what was happening, but he admitted that the team in itself is going through a tough patch. Yes, the team is going through a tough patch, but basically saying that they can hold on, they can fight through, and actually come out victorious. What? Oh God, the heck? Okay. Yeah, it's a new look. It's a new look. Either this, or I just take off the hat. It's a new look. Well, anyways, this fluffy part. Anyway, you know what? That is totally fine. All right. So, anyways, let me show you guys what he said. Let me bring it to. This is not about me, definitely. By the end of this video, I can guarantee you that this hat will not be on my head. I can guarantee you that it won't be on my head. All right. So I'm hoping that you guys can see it quite fine. I am really hoping that you guys can see it and read it clearly, just as though I'm looking at it right now. I'm honestly hoping that. Let me see if I can make it a little bit bigger. Yeah, just a little bit. So these were the remarks made by Damion Lowe. Just a small synopsis of what he said. Critically important as well. I think that was literally the most important part of the conversation. Um, one of, I would say. So let me read through it. Every footballer, every team has or goes through a rough patches and struggles. Unfortunately for us, it is during the World Cup qualifiers. But it also basically just give us that fire in our system, in our belly. Also, it allows us to be humble and help us to be more focused, which pushes each other and every member and say, listen, guys, when we were younger, we have seen the Reggae Boyz on TV. We saw what they did in the 98 World Cup, what the 98 World Cup team has done. We have also heard all the stories of historic moments. No, it's our time. It's our time. Time to write our names in the history book. We have to go there and make our nation proud. We have to reiterate this message every single day to ourselves. That is imperative. And that's good. That is good, people. If he said that this is a message that they have to reiterate to themselves, they have to constantly remind them that this is what we want, this is what we're trying to do. We know what the 98 World Cup squad did, and we are trying our best to bring that fruit come forward. So they want to bear that fruit this time around. They want to replicate what happened in the 98 World Cup this time around, which I honestly believe is quite good. I honestly believe that, people, it's quite good. These are some good sentimental words from him. Let us write our history. Let us write history. Let this be our history. Let us make our nation. Why they have our nation proud? It's the RSS feed, people, so they will mix up some of the words. The Jamaican fans, the Caribbean fans, football fans in specific, these guys are demanding, heavily demanding, a demanding set of people, and we know that. So we try to leave it all on the pitch every single game, and hopefully we get the win. Sometimes we don't, but we just have to go there and give it our all and just leave it on the pitch. Now, those are the words from the vice captain slash captain when Andre Blake is not there. So, he holds both roles, just as though, Andre Blake is a captain, but Damion Lowe is a vice captain when Andre Blake is not there. He's a second in command, people. He's a 2IC. He's a 2IC in the army terms. But as I said, people, these are some very, very strong wording from Damion. It's very, very strong wording from Damion Lowe. And I strongly believe that, ooh, I strongly believe that, let me get this. Come on, you see. I have to get rid of that, people. It was just starting to feel a bit annoyed. So these are strong words, people. So, guys, what do you think about that? What do you think about what he said? First of all, he said that every team goes through rough patches and bad pieces of form or mishaps, you would say. And this is natural. He said this is natural. It's just unfortunate that it is our time is in the World Cup qualifiers. But it's just unfortunate that that is the reason why so much different stories coming out in regards to players, all these different types of stories coming out. It's really, really unfortunate that this is a time. I'm hoping and I trust and believe in his words that they can pull through and maximize on the result, because I honestly believe that we need a full, and I mean a full cohesive team effort for us to make this World Cup qualifiers, for us to make this World Cup. It is imperative that we make this World Cup. No, you already see JFF, the president, coming out listing the amount of money that they have already spent. Even though for me, I believe that there's a lot of variables to those figures that are being stipulated. That's what I believe. Certain things just don't end up. But anyways, that's the political aspect. I won't get into that. But in the same sense, people, this is the cry of a captain, a vice captain, about his team, and they believe that they can get the job done. And for me, I've spoken to even Ravel Martin himself, told me that this team we need unity, and they trust and believe that the coach can get the job done. So at this point in time, people, I believe that we have no other option than to just rest it at their feet. We have no other option than to just rest it at their feet. I'm hoping, I am really, really hoping, I am praying that you guys can pull it through, because that is what I want. I want this. This is bigger than me. This is bigger than any vlogger. This is bigger than any individual. This is a national thing. This covers Jamaica. This also covers the diaspora. So the nation and also the diaspora, even the Caribbean, shoulders or rest on the shoulders of those players that are going out there and putting on a jersey. It's a heavy burden. We all know it's a heavy burden. That is the reason why you guys are in a position, because you guys can bear that burden. You guys have been bearing the burden for the longest while. You guys have to pull through, and we want you guys to pull through, and we just need everyone to fix up and get it correct, because we need this. We need this. I'm a fan. Yes, I do vlogging. I do insight analytics and all those analysis and all those type of things, and I be critical a lot of the times. But at the end of the day, I am a fan. I am a huge fan, and I lose a lot of sleep because of this football team, and I lose a lot of sleep because of football in itself, because I am a fan. That is fandom. So please, like how I'm doing my part in being a fan, please, guys, I'm begging you guys, do your part in being a team and getting us to the World Cup. I'm begging you. I'm begging you. I'm really begging you. So, guys, I won't get any further into that. Please, guys, remember, smash the like button and also share this video. This has been really, really insightful. I believe that this is some insightful information and some very good wording from the captain. Let's see, they believe in everything that's happening, and they believe that they can get the job done. So why shouldn't we? We are fans, so we're gonna always have mitigating circumstances and our different beliefs. But that's just it, because I'm saying this now, but I still have other things that I would love to say, but not as yet. Not as yet. I'm holding on. So, people, thank you, Military Guna TV people. This has been a good one. Enjoy your day. Please enjoy your day. Let's look out for more updates, people. Look out for more updates.